Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Jasmy daily update. We are going to see the next targets and I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see for Jasmy the next price targets. So we have some good and bad news right now. The bad news is that we are testing the 20-day EMA right now, and what we need to do is to close above in order to get to the 50-day EMA, and I'm going to show you the exact price targets that we need to hold and we need to break in order to have a buying opportunity. Right now, what do we have? Also, that's very good is a very long bullish RSI divergence coming in from 8 March towards 12 May. And that is pretty good because we had a lower low and in the price and a higher low in the RSI, as you can see from the close on the 8 March, okay, to the close on 12 May. And of course, this is very good because we have more chances into breaking above and closing above these lines on the daily frame. Right now on the 4-hour frame, we have a very high risk rate here and you should be a little bit careful. Although we are above the 20-day and the 50-day MA, we do not have what it takes yet to call it a very bullish price action, okay? Because right now we have tons of risk on the 4-hour frame. That's why you need to be a little bit careful. And of course, if I go to the daily frame, we are going to have some very important targets. For Jasmy against Bitcoin charts, these things right here is not looking good yet. What we need to do is to close above the 50-day MA, which sits at this line right here, and we have it at the point 5 O's or 6 O's, 6 O's 53. Okay, so we need to close above this line to have any hopes of going and outperforming Bitcoin, which is very important. Next targets for the short term would be if we draw the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, and we will go to the point 6061 and maybe to the point 6078. For Jasmy against USDT chart right now, what we need to do is to close above the 20-day MA and to break above, and we have very nice different targets. We are going to draw a trend-based Fibonacci extension from the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top and back to the bottom. And you can see that if we break the 20-day MA, then the next target, very critical price target, the point 10173. If we can manage to close above, we could be potentially going to the 50-day MA and of course to the point 0228. In the meantime though, if we do not close above the point 0173, then this is not a buying opportunity. As you can see, we are struggling on the 20-day MA right now, and the 4-hour frame is kind of a risky situation. Although I do believe that we have many chances into achieving the point 017 in the next upcoming days. For the time being, the point 02 is the next resistance level, along with the most important one, the point 0229 to 23. If we can manage to close above, then it is very likely that we go and break above and go to the next price target, which is here. Okay, apart from this target though, we do not know about the future of Jasmy. All we know for now is that we have a daily bullish RSI divergence coming in and kicking off from before on 8 March. And also, what we have is the 20-day MA rejection for the time being, and one very more important target, the one of 0.073. If we can manage to close above on the daily frame, then this means that we can go higher into the next price targets. And of course, this is the most crazily important resistance level right now. You can see why. Support level back here as well when we had it back on 14-15 April and so on. So pay attention to this target for the time being. If you haven't bought Jasmy, I would recommend, at least for the short term, just observe the market a little bit and we are going to see it next. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, where you can get easy profits right there. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.